The BCPS Parent Portal is a resource that allows you to monitor your students' grades, check attendance, complete required annual back-to-school forms, and set up email notifications. It is also where you go to access School Messenger and set your preferences. This video will focus on how to set up a new BCPS Parent Portal account and complete required back-to-school forms. For the best experience, we recommend you do this from a tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. If you are new to the division, you should have received a Parent Portal instructions letter from your child's school with an access ID and access password. This information allows you to link your child or children to your BCPS Parent Portal account. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to find it. If you didn't receive this information, please contact your child's school. There are two ways to get to the Parent Portal login screen. Open a web browser and navigate directly to botetourt.powerschool.com. We recommend you bookmark this page so that you can access it again quickly in the future. You can also get to the BCPS Parent Portal from the Botetourt County Schools website. Navigate to bcps.k12.va.us. Tap or hover your mouse over the Parents tab, and then tap or hover your mouse over the Resources option. Select BCPS Parent Portal at the top of the menu that opens. Again, we recommend you bookmark this page for future access. If you are an existing Parent Portal user, go ahead and sign in. If you have forgotten your login credentials, do not click on the Forgot Username or Password option. Instead, please contact your child's school for assistance. If you are new to Parent Portal, select the Create Account tab. Then click on the blue Create Account button in the lower right-hand corner to continue. Complete the first section by typing in your first name, last name, email address, username, and then a password. You are required to enter your email address and password twice for verification and accuracy. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and use only letters and numbers. Special characters and spaces should never be used. We recommend you write down or save your account information so you can refer to it later. The second section allows you to add your child or children to your account. Enter your child's name, access ID, and access password located on the Parent Portal instructions letter. Repeat this process for any other enrolled children in your household. When you have finished, tap or select the blue Enter button at the bottom right of the page. You will be redirected back to the main login screen. Enter the username and password you just set to log in. Please note, you may be prompted to verify your email address before accessing the Parent Portal for the first time. Once you have successfully logged in, you will see your child's name at the top left of the screen. If you have more than one child enrolled in the division, each of their names will appear here. Click on a name to see the attendance and grade information for that child. Parents and guardians complete back-to-school forms electronically every year for each child enrolled in Botetourt County Schools. Select the Forms link on the left-hand side of the Parent Portal to begin this process. The page with all required forms will open. Simply select the first form and complete all required fields. Whenever you save and submit a form, the system will automatically bring you to the next form that needs to be completed. Repeat this process until all forms have been submitted. Remember, if you have more than one child, you must complete the back-to-school forms process for each child separately. Simply select your next child's name from the upper left corner, select Forms from the navigation menu on the left, and repeat the process. Now that you are set up, be sure to download the Parent Portal mobile application to keep informed on the go. Use the following district code to connect with Botetourt County Public Schools. If you need any assistance, please reach out to your child's school. We are more than happy to help.